All right, good day to you. And here we are. What are we doing? We're going to check the feet per second on the Precision 1. I'm liking how these group. We're also going to do a group on this to see how they group. And if everything passes, we're going to do an expansion. This is looking to be what I'm going to be running through the Savage with the short barrel as my hunting ammunition, because it just this has been the best one so far. So right now this is the final test right here, just to get go ahead, make the move and make the switch to Precision 1. So y'all stay tuned, see how it goes. It's going to be a long video, so I apologize, but there's a lot of good information, expansion, feet per second, and groupage going on with the 16-inch barrel. $21.82. $22.58. That's kind of a big jump. That's what, 60, almost 70 on the jump, around 70. Okay. So 21.82, 22.58, 22.19. That's pretty much in the middle. It's a big spread on these bullets. So yeah, we're hitting around 2,200 feet. So yeah, 2220 on the feet per second. I mean, that's crazy how that kind of just worked out. It kind of did the math for me. Smart bullet. But there we go. And now we're going to do a expansion. Going to catch it down there. Not going to really adjust the cameras because I'm just not going to. All right, here we go. Aiming here, same point of aim every time. We got a group right here, that Precision 1. This has been the best group that I've ever had. All right. Nice and warm. Not too bad. Nice big slug. We'll take this back and get a look at it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We are back with the little rundown showing the Precision 1 with the feet per second to be 2410 feet per second, 147 grain. We got out of the short barrel 2182, 2258, and a 2219, which the 2219 ironically is smack dab the middle of those two shots. That's what it is. So that's your average, and then the extreme 76. We got 76 on the extreme spread. That's a big. That's not too. Really don't like that as much. Might run some more ammo. Do it again on the chrono. Might do it another one on the chrono just to see. And but yeah, that's kind of a big spread between these, but not too shabby looking right there. We get the weight, 147 grain. Well, 145. That is impressive. That held together like that. That is extremely impressive right there. If we go with almost 3/4 of an inch, not bad at all. That's a lot of spread right there. And then what we got on the group, which this is the biggest thing about me. This is actually the most important. I was doing this. I don't care about the feet per second. And I'm not too worried about the spread. That group, I was aiming here. Well, let me get this. I was aiming here, and we were hitting here. That scope is messed up, but this is the big deal right here. I'm definitely, this is what's, well, I'm keeping it. If we go 2.5, that is right there with the flyer. That's 2.5. And out of all the other ammunition that I've tried, about 3 is the best that I've ever got. Usually it's pushing almost 4 every time. So if we take these right here, we got 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. 1.5. So we're hit, you know, a 1.5 inch group at 100 yards for the 350 Legend, which I've been just going back and forth trying to figure out some kind of ammo to get to group. And this, yeah, this ain't great, but I know it'd be nice if it was under 1 inch. But if y'all see what I've been going through, you know, 4-inch groups, basically thinking that, okay, all I can do is a shoulder shot on a deer with this. There's nothing else I can really do. I can't, you know, I'm not going to take a neck shot on a deer, and I'm not going to use it hog hunting to take a headshot. That is that right there. So this is why Precision 1 is pretty much my, that's going to be my new hunting load right there for the 350 Legend, for that 350 Legend, for the Savage with the short barrel, 16 inch. There you go. Thanks for watching.